To the greatest video you have ever seen. Today, no Will Hero, it's just Subway Surfers Changed Part 2. It's actually really changed. It really changed. We're just gonna load it for a while. Wait, yeah. So I'm the boy Jake. And let's play. So this is Subway Surfers Changed Part 2. It's a little same, but really, when I show you, it's actually really changed. It really changed. If I show you quickly, let me just lose the game quickly. Okay, home. And me, go to characters. Wait. Yeah, so if you go to characters, see, it actually really changed. Now it's going like this. So since this video is about how Subway Surfers Changed Part 2, there's like same characters. I know Frank, I know Fresh, I don't know Ella. I saw King. I like this girl. Remember, this is the girl, Miss Maya. She's for 100 Keys. Remember I told you from before? She looks so wicked. I know Utani. I know Tagbot. He's not looking. I know her. I know the ninja. And don't forget Trixie. I mean, not Trixie. Tricky. Only for 3 hats. Never got her yet. But I deleted this game. And then I downloaded it again. So when I did, it changed so badly. Oh no. Gotta be kidding. I only have 23 keys. Oh yeah. The Star Trail. Super cool. It was for free. Look how cool it is. It's like shouting out stars. It's like a rocket. Yay. Mission complete. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. I'm jumping. Pause for a minute. Just give me 1 second, guys and girls. Okay, guys, now. So let me resume. Okay, it's going really fast. Catch my first one. Okay, got a surprise box. Going a little medium fast. Just a little. I'm only gonna make this video for 5 minutes because I don't want the audience to be bad just watching for a whole 10 minutes. If you want it to be 10 minutes, comment down below. Okay? Means okay, if you guys don't know. Okay, yeah. Okay, starting in. Once I was on the roof, you know, guys? Once on the roof. Just, almost there. Woo! I'm going fast. Watch out for those. Ooh, super sneakers. Wait, 5 minutes. Okay, you know guys, I'm just gonna leave it for here. Actually, nah. I'm just gonna... Okay guys, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if I should make a 5 minutes video or a 10 minutes. So even don't forget to like it and subscribe. So bye bye and have a nice day.